Alright, so today we stopped by Thai Kitchen. Let's see what we ordered. That's the beef pasiu. Lunch, $12.99. Okay, this is the pineapple fried rice. Ooh, that looks so good. Cashews, onions. Got some curry flavor. And this is the seafood noodle soup. Okay, see how they represent it. See the fish balls and imitation crab, some cilantro and green onion, and here's the noodle with some bean sprout. And I think this was about $40 after tax. Thai Kitchen.
Okay, who wants watch? Who wants fruit tart?
Me.
Who says me?
Me.
I don't know.
This is a
Who
fruit
wants
tart.
chocolate cake?
Me.
Wow.
Oh,
So
I don't know
fruity.
who it says me. Okay, so Skylar, can you help bring it? Can you help bring?
May I have fruit tart?
He said wait.
Why?
I want
Okay.
fruit tart.
No, it's,
What? Who says wait? Why? God bless you, wait.
let's see how the inside look like.
Oh, here the inside look like yummy.
Wow, so chocolatey.
Chocolate mousse cake. Okay, who wants?
Fruit tart, yes, me, Mom.
đậu nè cây nè ạp nè cái cây ạp
咁大個食咩又咩都幾中意食乜就自己夾啦嘛。
Oh yeah, get some of the chestnut. Okay.
okay.
Oh, my sister brought some dessert. This is chocolate brownie and Rice Krispie. Okay, I got some fruit too.
我老公喜欢
Wow, we're opening a box of lobster. Wow, look at this. I think over $300 for this box of Maine lobster. Ice pack.
對男啊
Wow! Oh, 呢啲大窿嚇 Look at how big. Wow, it's still live. Look. 哇，真係好大隻喎。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。I think about 10 or 12 maybe.
先睇到
Okay, let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that was big. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8. I was wrong. It's only 8.
哇誒一二
Okay, weighing it is about 7.5 pounds of lobster. Wow. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
大概13、14分鐘啦
Alright, it's steaming. See it's turning. Yeah. About 14 minutes.
蒸隻窿蝦俾你
Okay, mom, 14 minutes up. Oh, wow. I'm pretty sure that's done. Let's go ahead and check it, mom.
大隻
Okay, we're gonna give this to my sister. Family. Yeah, that's the biggest one, I think. Okay, we are my dad, me, and my mom gonna eat this too. Okay.
哇黐唔到俾黐唔到估又係黐唔到唔夠黐
Yeah, okay. It's hot, mom. We might have to use a knife.
à 熟啊熟啊熟啊哇汁哇
Wow, look at this huge claw for my dad. Okay, mom. Is it ready?
Là cái cô
Oh wow, look at this lobster tail, guys. Ooh wee! It's beautiful. Since it's so fresh, it should taste sweet. But we have some aged vinegar in case we need it. Mmm.
全部壓晒
Here's one thing I
嘅。
love doing
喂，
is to mix it in with rice. It is a little bit high in cholesterol, but I don't have to worry about it. Yes, I'm healthy. Mix it in with the rice. That makes a perfectly good meal right there. So flavorful. Ah, the lobster is so fresh and delicious. We don't even need any sauce because it has a natural, savory, sweet flavor. And of course, I'm pairing it with some Angry Orchard, which is strawberry hard cider. It's a perfect balance. Mom, is it good? And I believe this costs about $300 for 20 pounds, so that comes out to be $15 per pound. But these are huge lobsters, so you know the smaller ones can be cheaper, costing like $9.99, $12.99. So $15, you probably save yourself probably around $10 if you order bulk. So there was 8 lobster in all. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. It is sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
Stir fry with some tofu and romaine lettuce. Yeah, sea cucumber. Healthy.
啊，爽啊！
俊哥，你的头。
My aunt brought over 2 clay pots. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the famous clay pot rice. Look at this. Wow, look how beautiful it is. First presentation is beautiful. Let me dig through this.
係啊，冇蝦
Got
片
some
啊，揸攞幾單。
imitation crab. Got these lobster. And what's this right here? I think that is pork steamed in this clay pot with some rice on the bottom. I've never done this before, so maybe I'll just start making this. Got some green onion too. Look at how it smells great too. I bet you it tastes good.
整啲
Oh wow, Mom, what's for dinner? Oh, we're having lobster? Oh wow, and salmon. Is that a duck egg? Hold on, let me get a close-up look at this. I think we got this from Aldi. $14.99 for 8 ounce, so that's 2 tails. $30 for these 4 tails.
乜鬼啫？
Okay, open it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Wow. Mom's opening one, how about Dad's opening his? Wow, that looks beautiful, Mom. Here's jellyfish and chicken.
知道你未食過咧，嗱呢啲就係啦，呢啲。
攔住我個去路啊！幾肥，幾靚。
呢個係銀燒魚嚟
Wow,
㗎。
look at this. Sweet and sour fish.
開路咁得意。
Well done.
我個佬，
Got some
我
pickled
哋去泰
vegetables
國
on
嗰陣
top.
時買嘅，
Pickled
去泰國旅行嗰陣時買
幾
嘅，
錢個啊？
記
apple.
得啦。
This
啊，佢哋嗰油咩啊？油嗰呢？
And now we have oyster pancake. This is like a Chinese pizza. See? Wow. So, wok
我哋賣得
fried.
好好㗎，嗰兩個菜
Very
都
good.
好多
Good
人
selling.
揀
This.
㗎。唔係啊，都係就翻
Wow. Taro and duck.
係啊，白
Duck and taro clay pot.
啊，啲芋頭好正啊！
Stir fry.
得啲攞安名食做
芥
住咯。
菜.
我去
啊，熱
興
字
住嚟
興食
啊！
唔係好熟嘅啫，啱熟啊嘛。
So here we have everything right here. Wow. Look at this.
食飯食飯。
Big fun. Yeah, dig into that, mom.
就飲乜薯粉嚟嘅啫嘛。
Dig into it. See the oyster, green onion, egg.
Thank you. 要學下嗰度翻去整咯。啊，自己得嘅。
有啊。
Ooh, look at all these Chinese bakery. Egg custard. Yeah, delicious. Egg custard. All right, so my mom is kneading this dough right here because we want to imitate the Chinese bakery and make some Chinese egg custard. She's kneading this mix right here, and we're using this Baker's Corner all-purpose flour enriched bleached. Okay, using this roller to flatten it. Okay, while my mom is flattening right there, and we're using these cookie tray, perfect size for making egg custard. Guess we'll be using 2 of these. Okay, now we're gonna put this extra layer of cream cheese. A little bit cream cheese, a little bit of butter, and rich flour. We try to mix it in for better texture and flavor. Okay, mom is rolling it now. What my mom doing now is cutting into 24 servings to act as the crust. You know, the egg custard crust on the bottom where the egg custard rests on. This is the crust. Okay, my mom's gonna demonstrate putting one of these crusts into the baking pan. Basically, you want to make it flat. Okay, that looks good, Mom. Okay, now form it in there. Gently form it into a beautiful shape until it takes into the shape of the mold. You guys get the idea. Basically, you want it to fill the top. You don't want any holes showing. Make it real nice and safe. For 24 egg custard, my mom's planning on cracking 10 eggs. Now these eggs are organic eggs straight from my own chicken. Okay, my mom added 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix it in with this hand mixer. Now we are gradually adding in the 2 cups of milk. Mix it in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Mom is carefully pouring in. See, that's one of the reasons why you want the flour to be on high. Because when it bakes, it's gonna make it conform, and that's what the shells look like. 24 shells. See. So we're cooking at 375 degrees for 26 minutes. Yeah, put it in there, Mom. Yeah. Center tray. Let's see how it turns out. Mom, it's ready. Wow, it looks beautiful. Let's take it out. Okay, Mom, take one out. Be careful. Wow, show me the bottom. Okay, it looks decent. See? Oh, this one is too. Now that's better. It smells good though. It smells great. Okay, Mom. Let's inspect it. Make sure it's cooked thorough. And I'm gonna do a taste test. We will both do a taste test. Yeah, that looks flaky. Wow. Yeah. Okay, try it, Mom. We both try it. It's hot. Try it. Mmm. The crust is good. Crunchy. Oh, it's perfect, Mom. Not too sweet. It's got a buttery taste. Very good. Very good, Mom. I give you a 87%.